SB19 nakahanap ng kakampi. Ang PIP.PH pinagtanggol ang SB19 laban sa bashers na nambubuli sa hitsura noon ng ating SB19 boys. Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Pinakabagong balita at articles na binandera online ng PIP.PH all about bashers at pambabash sa SB19. Sinupalpal at sinampal ng PIP.PH ang mga bashers noon. At ngayon na mayroong pangilan-ngilan na kung saan walang tumitigil, hindi tumitigil sa pamabash sa ating mahalima. May mga bashers na nambubuli sa hitsura noon ng SB19 pero ngayon tila ba pinagtanggol at pinamukha ng PIP.PH na kayang-kayang gawin ng SB19 baguhin ang kanilang sarili dahil karapatan nila at marangal silang nagtatrabaho. Part yun na kanilang pagiging sikat at public figure sa Pilipinas. Sila ay celebrities na at kayang gawin ang gustong gawin nila sa kanilang sarili at katawan at pagmukha dahil marangal sila at maayos ang kanilang trabaho bilang isang singers. Ito nga ang caption ng PIP.PH na susulat, despite facing criticism about their looks early in their career, SB19 chose to focus on self-improvement instead of negativity. The group shared how embracing self-care and learning care for themselves help boost not only their confidence but also the way they present themselves on and off the stage. Hashtag from the archives. Sabi ko nga, SB19 nakahanap ng kakampi ang PIP.PH sa kanilang online publication na Self-Care, Lifestyle, Self-Care, ginawang tribute ang SB19 at modelo. Example sa kanilang segment sa online publication na Lifestyle, Self-Care. At heto naman ang nakahuli sa aking attention, ang komento ng isang 18 na the best revenge is success. Samantala, narito pa ang ilang komento ng 18.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.